Hi there. Today we are going to learn about good body mechanics and why it is important to have good body mechanics to help prevent pain. Hi, my name is Kim Kerr, and this channel is all about helping you have better posture and reducing pain through simple exercises you can do throughout the day. So let's get started. So when we are talking about body mechanics basically is the posture. Let me say that again. The position that our body is in as we go throughout our daily lives. So whether it is getting dishes out of the dishwasher, tying your shoes, picking up something off the floor, sitting in a chair, what position am I in? So let's talk about something that's kind of easy when it comes to body mechanics, and that is lifting. Whenever you want to lift something, you want to try and get as close to the object that you can that you're going to lift. So I have my laundry basket. Everyone has a laundry basket. When you have to lift the laundry basket, you want to get as close to the laundry basket as possible, and you want to keep your posture in good alignment. Remember, our chin tucked in and our abdomen braced, and we want to bend from the knees and the hips. We don't want to bend our spine, and then lift on up. Okay? You want to keep it as close to your body as possible because that takes the strain off of your back. So lifting up a laundry basket is actually great work for our thigh muscles. And if you use good body mechanics throughout the day, you get a good little leg workout. Now, if you have knee pain, which is pretty common in a lot of people, you can still have good body mechanics and hinge more from the hips. So if my knees hurt to bend down this much, I could bend them like this and bend more from the hips. It's a little trickier. But see how my back is straight? I'm not rounding my spine. That's just really bad. So that's another way you can do it if you have knee pain. Keep the knees slightly bent and hinge from the hips and just go up and down. My back is still straight. Okay? Now, if you want to pick up something that is not very heavy off the floor, say this little teddy bear, for example. If I wanted to put him in the basket to be washed, you still want to have good body mechanics. You still want to bend down like this or hinge from the hips like this. You don't just want to round down and do it, because even though our little teddy bear friend is not very heavy, it's over time with poor body mechanics that ruins our spines. So people don't just have one injury usually that causes back problems. Usually it is repetitious over time, constantly bending over from the waist to pick up that pencil off the floor. I mean, it does seem silly to bend down like this, but it really is the best way to do it to keep your spine straight. Now let's brainstorm some things you might do throughout the day that will require good body mechanics. We will go back in the laundry. Let me get this out of the way with my good body mechanics. Okay, so let's say you need to get dishes out of the dishwasher. Now you open up your dishwasher, and I squat down and do it this way and get things out. Okay, and the back is straight. You're just hinging like this the whole time. I realize that this is an imaginary dishwasher, but there you go. So little things throughout the day, getting laundry out of the washing machine. So if it's down here, getting down like this to get your wash out. If you have a top loader, you can do what's called a golfer's lift and kind of go down like this to get your laundry out. That's another way to keep your back straight. So you never want to curl your spine into the washing machine. It's not good. One thing that people don't think about sometimes is brushing our teeth. When we go to brush our teeth, we want to be like this. We don't want to be rounded over the sink like that. All these things add up to pain over time. And if you do it with proper body mechanics, it's actually like giving yourself a little leg workout throughout the day, because every time you're using good body mechanics, you're using the large muscles of your legs and your trunk. So it's a great way to get a little extra squats throughout the day. So now sometimes there's an object that's just way too heavy and we should just not lift it. I know that's hard and difficult for some people, myself included. We think we can muscle through something, but it's really not the wisest thing to do. The best thing to do is to ask for help if something is too heavy. So another thing to think about is a real big no-no with lifting is twisting your spine. If you can just imagine having a little pressure, a little weight in your arms, and then twisting, it really is like taking your spine and it's not good. So if you're shoveling snow, do the good body mechanics and walk it around and then throw it. Don't ever do this. That's exactly how you mess up your spine. So I apologize for not having snow to show you, but I think you get the idea. And don't get frustrated if you catch yourself having poor body mechanics often. It does take time to make it a habit. And that's another reason why I really feel like it's so important to train our younger generation to have good body mechanics for when they're little, because practice makes perfect. You know, keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing, because it's hard to break old habits, but you can break it, you can do it. And joining in. If you have any questions, please ask them. And remember to try and have good body mechanics with everything you do, and you'll get a great little leg workout throughout the day. Bye now.